Hello friends, welcome in DSA series. Program execution. Program execution means the computer reads, understands and performs the instructions written in a program step by step. Execution process. Code is written, interpreter reads it, CPU executes it and give output. JVM, Java Virtual Machine. JVM is responsible for running Java bytecode and converting it into machine code so that computer can understand it. Execution by JVM. JVM reads the bytecode, converts it into machine code and executes it. JDK, Java Development Kit. JDK is a software kit that provides tools to create Java application. JDK architecture. JDK UJRE inside JVM libraries. JDK is the development tools. JRE, Java Runtime Environment. JRE provides the environment, libraries plus JVM required to execute Java programs. How JRE works. Java program is compiled .class bytecode. JRE loads the class files. JVM executes bytecode. Output is produced. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Visit the next video.